Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best ring ding dong is probably one of the most iconic and nostalgic snacks that brings back childhood memories for many, offering a delightful combination of chocolate cake, creamy filling, and a rich coating that has stood the test of time, making it a beloved treat for generations seeking a simple yet satisfying indulgence. Number 5. SadoTech Wireless Doorbell Kit. Introducing a smart doorbell system that allows you to customize different ringtones for each receiver. This ensures you always know which entrance your visitors are using. Unlike other doorbells that fail quickly, this one is built with high-quality components for long-lasting performance. It's featured on major news networks and boasts a patented design. Enjoy a wireless range of over 1,000 feet, even through doors and walls. It's perfect for large homes, apartments, or offices, and the battery lasts up to 3 years. This kit includes 2 transmitters and 2 receivers, along with all necessary mounting hardware and batteries. It features LED indicators and adjustable volume settings. Choose from 52 high-quality chimes with 4 volume levels to suit your preference. The memory chip even saves your settings when unplugged. Designed to withstand extreme temperatures and is waterproof, making it ideal for any environment. It's also ADA compliant, perfect for the hearing impaired, classrooms, or businesses. What we like? This doorbell offers an exceptional 1,000-foot range and 52 unique chimes, with a durable waterproof design. If you have a large property or frequently experience weather challenges, this is the ideal choice for reliable and versatile alerts. Its robust build ensures it can handle various conditions, making it a worry-free solution for any home. What people say. The Ring Ding Dong is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Its sleek design and compact size make it a perfect fit for any countertop. I love how easy it is to use the Ring Ding Dong. The intuitive controls and clear instructions make it a breeze to operate, even for beginners. The Ring Ding Dong delivers consistently delicious results every time. Whether you're making snacks or full meals, it never disappoints. Number 4. GREENCYCLE Door Sensor Chime Motion Bells. This device is more than just a motion detector. It offers multiple functions including welcome greetings, doorbell alerts, alarm modes, and even lighting options. It's an essential component for home security and alerts. Choose from 36 different ringtones or 5 welcome languages. You can also adjust the volume across 4 levels, or opt for silent mode with adjustable brightness. This makes it ideal for various situations, including homes with hearing impairments or sleeping babies. Enjoy a reliable connection with an impressive operating range of up to 918 feet between the receiver and sensor. The motion sensor itself detects movement within a range of 7 to 26 feet, ensuring you're always informed. This system is designed to grow with your needs. Each receiver can support up to 32 sensors and 8 remotes, allowing you to customize your home security setup. Differentiate alerts with distinct colored lights. Setting up is a breeze. Power it via USB or batteries, and use the included mounting bases. The sensor can be easily adjusted to cover a wide area, offering flexible placement options. What we like? With 5 distinct modes including welcome, doorbell, and alarm, plus a 918-foot range, this system offers great flexibility. If you're looking for a multifunctional alert system for your business or home that can grow with your needs, this expandable option is perfect. Its various modes cater to different scenarios, from greeting customers to security alerts. What people say. The Ring Ding Dong is a fantastic addition to any home security system. Its sleek design and easy installation make it a user-friendly option. The advanced motion detection accurately alerts you to any unusual activity. Number 3. Daytech Caregiver Pager System. Regain independence and control when extra assistance is needed. This wireless alert system offers privacy for the user and peace of mind for their family. When assistance is required, a simple press of the button sends an alert directly to the caregiver's receiver. It's designed for quick and efficient response in various settings. Designed for ease of use, even with limited hand function. The alert button is always accessible and can be placed conveniently, even in splash-prone areas. This system comes ready to go right out of the box. You can easily adjust settings like ringtones and volume to suit your specific needs. We are committed to providing dependable and stable products. You can rely on our uninterrupted customer support for your peace of mind. Enjoy the freedom of a wireless system with a range of up to 100 feet. This allows caregivers to move around the house while staying connected. What we like. This Caregiver pager system provides a reliable 100-foot range and a wearable alert option for immediate assistance. If you are caring for an elderly loved one or someone with medical needs, this is an excellent choice for ensuring their safety and independence. Its ease of use and quick alert function offer peace of mind for both the caregiver and the individual needing support. What people say. The Ring Ding Dong is a fantastic addition to my smart home setup. The installation was a breeze, and it's seamlessly integrated with my existing devices. The video quality is crystal clear, even in low light conditions. I love the two-way audio feature, which allows me to communicate with visitors from anywhere. The motion detection is highly accurate, and I appreciate the customizable zones that help reduce false alerts. The app is user-friendly and provides quick access to all the features. Overall, a great product that offers peace of mind and enhanced security. I've been using the Ring Ding Dong for a few weeks now, and I'm thoroughly impressed. The build quality is solid, and it feels like a premium device. The wide-angle lens captures a broad view of my porch, ensuring no blind spots. The night vision is exceptional, providing clear footage even in complete darkness. The chime feature is loud and distinct, making sure I never miss a visitor. The battery life is also quite impressive, lasting for several weeks on a single charge. Highly recommended for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-rich doorbell camera. The Ring Ding Dong has exceeded my expectations. The design is sleek and modern, blending well with my home's exterior. The setup process was straightforward, and the app guided me through each step. The live view is always accessible, and the recording quality is excellent. I particularly like the smart alerts that notify me of any activity. The integration with other smart home platforms is a huge plus. This doorbell camera has truly enhanced my home security and convenience. Number 2. Hostess Twinkies and Cupcake Snack Cakes. Indulge in the timeless delight of America's favorite snack cakes. Enjoy the creamy filling of Twinkies and the rich chocolatey goodness of cupcakes. Each cake is individually wrapped, ensuring maximum freshness and convenience. Perfect for on-the-go snacking or sharing with friends and family. This generous pack offers 16 Twinkies and 16 cupcakes, totaling 32 delicious treats. It's the perfect assortment for any occasion or craving. Whether you love the iconic golden sponge cake or the decadent chocolate cupcake, this variety pack has something for everyone. They are the ultimate sweet escape. Bring smiles to any gathering with these beloved snacks. They are sure to be a hit at parties, picnics, or just as an everyday treat. What we like. This offers a generous variety with 32 individually wrapped treats, including both Twinkies and cupcakes. If you're looking for a crowd-pleasing snack assortment for parties, events, or just to have on hand, this is a fantastic option. The individual wrapping ensures freshness and makes them easy to distribute. What people say. The Ring Ding Dong is a fantastic addition to any home security system, offering peace of mind and advanced features. Its sleek design blends seamlessly with any decor, while the intuitive app makes monitoring your home effortless. The high-definition camera captures crystal-clear footage, ensuring you never miss a detail, day or night. Number 1. Peppa Pig Ding Dong. Let's play. Doorbell Sound Book. Hear the doorbell ring with Peppa Pig. This interactive sound book brings the fun of answering the door right to your fingertips. Join Peppa and her friends as they discover who's visiting. Press the button to hear the doorbell sound and find out. It's time for fun and games when the doorbell rings. This book is perfect for little ones who love Peppa Pig and interactive play. With a simple press, you can activate the doorbell sound. It's an exciting way to engage young children and encourage imaginative play. Open the door to adventure with Peppa Pig. This sound book is designed to delight and entertain, making storytime extra special. What we like. This is an interactive sound book featuring the beloved Peppa Pig, complete with a doorbell sound. If you have young children who are fans of Peppa Pig and enjoy interactive play, this book is perfect for engaging them. It combines story time with fun sound effects, making it a delightful educational toy. What people say. The Ring Ding Dong is incredibly easy to set up and use, even for beginners. Its compact design makes it perfect for small spaces, and it doesn't take up much room. The sound quality is surprisingly good for its size, delivering clear and crisp audio. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.